Welcome DEKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. AI is shaking up the job market, right? New jobs pop up like data labelers, AI trainers, while old ones vanish. Vocational education is at a crossroads. We're not just talking about teaching new tech. We're talking about fundamentally rethinking how we build skills for the future. This isn't just about adding courses. It's about a complete semantic overhaul and ecosystem redesign. Let's dive in. So, how do we make sense of this complexity? Enter the DIKWP model. Think of it as the brainpower behind our new approach. It's not just data, information, knowledge, wisdom, like the classic DIKW pyramid. No, we've added a crucial layer, purpose. Why does this matter? Because knowledge isn't neutral. It's driven by intent. DIKWP maps this out as a network, not a simple ladder. Data feeds into information, which builds knowledge, leading to wisdom, and ultimately, purpose. But here's the magic. Purpose feeds back down, guiding what data we collect and how we interpret information. It's a closed loop, a dynamic system mirroring human cognition. This isn't just theory. It gives us a framework to build AI systems that are explainable, controllable, and aligned with our educational goals. Forget black boxes. We want transparent, purpose-driven intelligence. Now, let's talk power, semantic sovereignty. In the AI age, controlling the meaning, the language, the culture embedded in digital systems is paramount. It's not just about who owns the data. It's about who defines its meaning. For vocational education, this means ensuring our standards, our curriculum, our very definition of skills reflects our values and context, not some foreign template. This leads directly to sovereign AI. We're talking AI developed and controlled nationally, using our own data and knowledge graphs, infused with our cultural DNA. Why? 3 key reasons. First, unified semantics. A national knowledge graph ensures everyone speaks the same language, whether in Shenzhen or Sichuan. Second, controllable AI. With sovereign platforms, we can monitor and adjust AI behavior across all DIKWP layers, keeping it transparent and aligned. Third, content dominance. We decide what gets taught, how it's evaluated, embedding our values, not theirs. It's about leveraging AI's power while safeguarding our educational autonomy. Theory is great, but does it work in the real world? Absolutely. Look at Huagang Vocational School. They're using AI to track student data, analyze learning patterns, adjust teaching content, and make smart decisions, all guided by their core mission, quality education. That's a full DIKWP cycle in action. Or consider local vocational alliances. By pooling data on industry needs and student outcomes, they create shared knowledge standards and align training with regional economic goals. Again, DIKWP shows the semantic unity driving collaboration. And virtual simulation basis. They immerse students in realistic scenarios, collecting data on performance, providing instant feedback, and assessing not just correctness, but problem-solving intent. These aren't isolated examples. They reveal how the DIKWP framework helps us see the underlying mechanisms, the closed loops of intelligent teaching and value embedding, happening right now. So, where do we go from here? The path forward is clear. First, build a national vocational education knowledge graph, our unified semantic backbone. Second, develop a sovereign AI platform powered by local data and aligned with our goals for teaching and assessment. Third, create a credit bank system where learning achievements are recognized and transferred using transparent semantic rules. Finally, implement a KQ or knowledge quotient, white box evaluation system based on the DIKWP layers, measuring skills holistically and openly. This isn't just about keeping up. It's about leading the way in building an intelligent, semantically rich, and deeply rooted vocational education ecosystem for the AI era. Thank you.